Hi everyone, my name is Teresa Poindexter and I'm a global product lead at Google. I'm here today to share tips to help you drive success from discovery campaigns. People turn to Google every day to find information and explore content online. They're watching videos, poring over product images, checking out the latest news and trends, finding promotions, and more. And when they find something that meets their needs, they're ready to shop. Over 70% of consumers are always on the lookout for new brands and products that make their lives easier. Discovery campaigns give you a simple and efficient way to engage billions of users as they browse content across the YouTube home feed, Discover, and the promotions or social tabs in Gmail. And you can do this from a single campaign. To get started, create a new campaign in Google Ads. You can create separate ad groups, but you should only go down this route if you need to customize your messaging for different types of products or services or different customer segments. Consolidating ad groups has two major benefits. It saves you time and simplifies how you manage your campaign. Through automation, you can still supply multiple creative assets per ad group and have our systems create different variations. It also helps your campaign perform better since machine learning works faster and better with more data. When you're setting up a discovery campaign, the first steps are to name your campaign. Choose the locations and languages you want to reach. Set your bidding goals and budget. We recommend a daily budget that's at least 10x the value of your target CPA bid so your campaign has room to scale and doesn't become constrained by budget. Next up is selecting your audiences. Focus on audiences that are most likely to convert for your business. We've seen advertisers drive great results starting with remarketing, custom intent, or in-market audiences. With custom intent audiences, we also recommend including at least 10 of the top converting keywords from your search campaigns to help define and reach the right audience. Finally, build your creatives. Discovery ads are designed to natively integrate into the browsing experiences on Discover, YouTube, and Gmail. From the assets you provide will help you build ad variations that look great across these contexts. First, you'll enter a final URL. Next comes images, which are a critical piece of your creatives to capture consumer attention and interest. With discovery campaigns, you can upload brand logos and images. Here are our top 4 tips. Use lifestyle or inspirational images that resonate with things your customers care about and clearly showcase your products. Provide a diverse range of high-resolution imagery that showcases your brand and products at their best, at least 1200 by 628 pixels. Overall, you should provide as many high-quality text and image assets as possible. Upload both square and landscape images to allow your ads to run on a variety of placements and drive better performance. You also don't need to reinvent the wheel. Feel free to test creative assets that already perform well from your other marketing campaigns, like email and social. If they're successful in other campaigns, they could work great with discovery campaigns also. Another thing to keep in mind, don't include call to action buttons in your uploaded images. You'll add a separate, interactive call to action button later in the setup process that will appear with your ad. Images that contain call to action text or buttons will be disapproved. After uploading your images, enter your business name, up to 5 headlines, and up to 5 descriptions. Want a pro tip for your ad text? Offer clear calls to action and highlight special offers or promotions that encourage consumers to engage. Once your assets and messaging are in place, you're off to the races. Give your campaign time to ramp up and learn what drives the best performance before making any changes. Wait until your campaign has generated at least 40 conversions for our machine learning models to learn what works best for your campaign. Adjusting your budget or bidding goals prematurely could interrupt this learning process. We hope these recommendations help you set up your discovery campaigns for success.